towards the future of our country, of my dear fellow Pakistanis, especially those who are in power and rule over us. We love our country, but sadly there are people that are making decisions for us and pushing this country towards monarchy. Will arresting Imran Khan or my father Ali Zedi solve the problems of Pakistan? Will police raids on our homes address the challenges that the poor people have to face in Pakistan? Will breaking into army homes and burning down our own things fix this country? If a 17-year-old like me understands that you need to sit down and talk about your differences, why don't the politicians and the senior people in the army understand this? My nana passed away day before yesterday. I'm an O-level student who has their final exams during these times. When I need my Baba the most, he has been abducted by the police. Please settle down your egos aside and work towards the future of our country, of my dear fellow Pakistanis, especially those